So I got these sauces here, $1 at Walmart, 3 different ones. So I'm gonna try them on some chicken wings. All right, so there go the wings there. First we're gonna try the bourbon peach barbecue. There it is, now the mild barbecue. We're gonna put it on the wings, and then we're gonna go ahead and try the hot honey. All right, put that on there, there it is. Spread it out, see what it look like. All right, so let's try there are 3 of them. All right, so let's go ahead and try the bourbon peach first. So it actually was pretty good, had a sweet taste to it. Now we're gonna go on to the hot honey. The hot honey was really good too as well, but almost tastes like you make a chicken sandwich and put that on there, right? Kind of like KFC. And then lastly, let's go to the regular mild barbecue. That actually was really good as well, right? So it's kind of hard to choose all 3 of them, but since they're $1, right, it's worth trying to put them on your wings.